Hello everyone, welcome to another session with me. My name remains Toby. So today we're going to be making a very nice manipulation. Okay, I have my image. My image is here that I've traced. So this is my subject image and then my background image. I traced this out myself. I hope you all know how to trace out background. If you don't, you can watch my previous video on how to cut out anything from the background. So we'll start by unhiding this layer now. And the next thing, my initial background, I'm going to change the color to black. How do I do that? Shift F5, click on the drop down, go to black, and then okay, this is fine. Now this edge is not going to blend with the background, so I'm going to do that now by creating a layer mask. And then I go to my brush, increase opacity, and then I just paint over it. Make sure your opacity is on 100, smoothing 100. So you just paint out all the right side. Yeah, paint out all the right sides. Yeah, this is more like it. Yeah. So next thing I'm going to do now is to import my cloud. Just import my cloud. I put it below my background layer. Then I move this down a little bit. Okay, this is fine. So you can see it's not really well blended with the cloud. So I need to add a level layer above this levels and clip it. Then I increase this, make it dark, and reduce the midtone. So this part is actually showing the sharp edge, so I just need to move it down a little. Yeah, it's more like it. So have you seen a purple cloud before or lightning? Nah, I haven't. So we need to work on that. So how do we do that? Create a hue layer above the cloud layer, clip it, and then we make it blue by reducing this. Reduce to blue. I think that is fine. So next thing I'm going to do now is to unhide my subject. So this is my subject here. I think it's small, so I'm going to increase the size, increase in a little bit. Yeah, more like it. So it sounds like it's levitating in air. So I just create a level layer above him. Go to levels, this level. Don't forget to clip. It's fine. Maybe too dark. Yeah, it's more like it. So that's on 115. So this is fine. Next thing I'm going to do now is neighbors. What are you guys doing? So next thing I'm going to do is to create a layer above this, above my background level layer. So I just got this lighting. So I'll just go to my brush. Yes, choose a blue and make sure the saturation is high. Increase my brush, and yeah, I just paint paint, paint, paint. That's fine. So I just change this to I change this overlay. So now I'm going to make this to Ctrl J again. Yeah, change this to soft light. Reduce the opacity. Make it 40, 45. Yeah, this is cool. So next thing I'm going to do now is to create a layer above this layer, and also give this background the same blue hue. So I just paint over it with my brush. Reduce this to 15. Change the blend mode to overlay. Yes, that's more like it. So you can still paint over it, paint more, brush more. It's cool. Yeah, this is fine. So now, the if you look at it, the cloud is above him. Yes, it's meant to be above him. So that means the top part of his shoulder and both sides of his arm should have more blue hue than the other side. So I'm going to just create a new layer for that, and then I reduce my brush, and then I'll just paint on the edges. Reduce this a little bit. Let's make it 80. Yeah, so 80 is fine. So this is very dope now, right? Yeah. So what is missing? Nothing's actually missing here. So I'll just add my yeah, that's all. So this is very easy now. So let's just say we are to add the text to this now. Let's see this pack of break to let's make if you need to breakthrough. Yeah. Let's change my font to Futura. Book. Then I make it white. So I just make it white and then increase the size, make it like 18. Centralize. Control A, then move it to the center, and then I just increase this. Kind of like, then I deselect and move it a little bit down. See how dope it is, man. This is cool. So this is about it. Yeah, so next thing I'm going to do now is to make your object your image very sharp. How do you do that? Add brightness and contrast. increase brightness a little bit, increase contrast. She just happens to make it very sharp. You know what contrast is. That's so. Then I add vibrance layer. Increase my vibrance. Increase the saturation a little bit. See. Look at how dope so I hope you're loving this, man. We're loving it, right? So just group the whole thing, Ctrl G, and then duplicate the group, Ctrl G. Then let's merge group layer. After merging group layer, unhide this, and after unhiding this, I just go to my filter, camera raw. What's the hold up? Camera raw. This camera raw, and then don't worry, all this side I just like the extra side. It don't really show because I've cropped out my image. So increase the clarity. Look how it was before. So I just increase the clarity, just sharpens your image for you, and then add a little bit of vibrance again, and then just go to FX, and then you can add a little vignette to this vignette. That's fine. Okay, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Look at how sharp. Look at the quality. Look at the difference. This is more like it. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. So you can actually make it in other colors. See, I have this red. Oh, that's true. You can add this cloud and sky. Stars. Very nice. So try it in different color and you surely get good results. Thanks for watching. Bye.